Ladies and gentlemen of the press, my name is Kiroko Ndegwa. I appear for the family of the deceased in this matter. Today he had an opportunity to proceed with the case under the directions of the Chief Justice. The current judge, the presiding judge, is currently on transfer, but thanks to the magnanimity of the court, it was noted that this matter needs to be concluded either before the judge transfers, and should he transfer before having concluded the matter, then he should come back and complete it. You may note that this is one of the matters that has attracted a lot of bile against the judiciary, but we are really happy. We are actually satisfied by the way the judiciary has dispensed with its duty to serve justice, even accommodating us a day that had not been allocated for us. For that, we would wish to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Her Excellency, the Chief Justice, the Eldoret High Court Judge, Justice Stephen Gidenji, and actually the judiciary fraternity. Today, two witnesses have testified. We started off on a rough patch. We were this morning served with an application for the judge to recuse himself. You may remember last time when you were here, there was the counsel for the defense had filed an application for bail, for review on bail and board terms. Unfortunately, or fortunately, that application was determined. That was, I think it should have been on 15th of this month, and the same was denied. It is on that basis that this morning we've been served with an application seeking for the judge to recuse himself. The grounds are on the face of that application. We don't wish to argue it because it's already before court. So directions have been given that we all file our responses and then come back to court on 21st of October. Second, the second witness, who for her own reason we would wish for her to remain anonymous, has not completely given her testimony because the accused counsel once again have alleged that there is a document they were not served. It's part of the old trick in the book that for that reason we've had to stand her down. We in the meantime shall endeavor to serve them with the same document and hope to dispense with justice by closure of the year, and probably get some directions on what the court has to say on whether the accused person has a case to answer. That will be all.
When is the mention?
We have a mention on 21st of October to confirm whether parties have filed their respective responses on the application filed by the defense counsel for the judge to recuse himself. We endeavor to equally respond and do justice to the same. We have, on our part, we have full confidence in the court, we have full confidence in our judicial system, and we thank them for their ever, I would call it a beyond reproach, Solomonic wisdom and magnanimity in guiding us through this process.
Reasons given for the judge to recuse himself, please.
It's purely based on the denial of bail. You may remember this is not the first instance as such that courts have been confronted with such applications. They allege in